So how are we feeling about LinkedIn video and the effectiveness of LinkedIn video content? That's a question that I also want to consider with you, my dear audience. As my long-term friends and connections know, I've been experimenting with LinkedIn video since January 2019. More than 3 years ago, I started posting my first few LinkedIn videos. I've never done it consistently, and I think the LinkedIn algorithm must have changed plenty of times in the meantime. I remember in 2018, early 2019, video on LinkedIn was the new big thing. I think by now, for a while of course, it was text posts having like a resurgence, and then maybe for a while image posts. Nowadays, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if these LinkedIn videos are in any way supported by the algorithm anymore, or if it would be more wise to post perhaps image content, perhaps LinkedIn stories. I really don't know, but I do enjoy hearing myself talk, so I will give it another shot. I will do a proper testing because that's what we should do in digital marketing. So I'm gonna be posting my video experiments more frequently for a few months, and I wanna see what it's gonna do. If the LinkedIn algorithm does not like it anymore, or if there's still a chance to perhaps reach some new followers, get some extra reach if I post more consistently. Because my biggest mistake, and that's a very common mistake, and it's a common trap that I am a permanent victim of falling into, is posting inconsistently, posting twice per month and then not posting for several months. It has happened to me many times, but yeah, I want to challenge myself. I want to challenge this algorithm to see if there is still a legitimacy for this video content, or if it is the wrong boat to be on in 2022. Let's see how it goes.